Hi, this is UDDIN. Welcome to our Wisdom Language Institute, our language class. So, today our lesson is how to make a dialogue. This lesson is from Wisdom 4 Skills, Unit 2, Model 1 up to Model 4. From these 4 models, we have learned how to make a dialogue, right? Yes, we have practiced Model 1, statement sentence, Model 2, statement sentence in negative form, Model 3, question sentence, that means interrogative form, and Model 4, negative interrogative question sentence. Well, from this sentence, you have those who have seen those classes, previous classes, it will be easier for them to understand the class, understand the today's class. Well, look, in here today's class, we shall practice am is our as principal verb, and using these 3 be verbs, that is as main verb, we shall practice how to make a dialogue. In here, I have look. Suppose you are a teacher and your friend is a doctor. Now you are talking with your another partner about your friends. So how to say this thing with your partner. As well, we shall practice. We shall learn formal and informal answer. Formal and informal answer. Okay, look, as you are a doctor, so how your partner, there is 2 partner here, speaker A and speaker B. Speaker A is talking with his partner, that is speaker B. So he is saying, I'm a teacher, I'm not a doctor. Are you a teacher? If his partner, that means speaker B's partner, is a teacher, then the answer will be in positive form. So what would be the formal positive answer? The question is, are you a teacher? Yes, I am. I'm a teacher. For formal negative answer, the question is, are you a teacher? No, I'm not. I'm not a teacher. Then speaker A is talking about his partner, his friend, that is his friend is a doctor. Then he is saying, my friend is a doctor, my friend is not a teacher. Is your friend a teacher? If the answer is positive, then speaker B will say, yes, he is. My friend's a teacher. If the answer is negative, that means if speaker B's friend is not a teacher, then his answer will be, no, he's not. My friend's not a teacher. Okay, then speaker A is asking B to know about his friend's a doctor or not. Isn't your friend a doctor? Speaker B is saying, if B's answer is positive, that means if B's friend is a doctor, then he will say, yes, my friend's a doctor. For negative answer, listen the question again. Isn't your friend a doctor? Yes, he is. My friend's a doctor. Now, pronounce that. Pronunciation is correctly a doctor. A doctor. Ekjon doctor. A doctor. Ekjon doctor. A teacher. Ekjon shikkok. Ekjon shikkok. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. আমি একজন শিক্ষক. I'm not a doctor. আমি ডাক্তার নই. Are you a teacher? তুমি কি একজন শিক্ষক? My friend's a doctor. আমার বন্ধু একজন ডাক্তার. My friend's not a teacher. আমার বন্ধু শিক্ষক নন. Is your friend a teacher? তোমার বন্ধু কি একজন শিক্ষক? Isn't your friend a doctor? তোমার বন্ধু কি একজন ডাক্তার নন? Now listen, formal and informal answer. Yes, I am. I'm a teacher. No, I'm not. I'm not a teacher. Yes, he is. My friend's a teacher. No, he's not. My friend's not a teacher. Yes, he is. My friend's a doctor. No, he's not. My friend's not a doctor. এভাবে শুনে উচ্চারণ করবেন, listen and pronounce like that. If you can make your pronunciation correctly, other people can understand you. Dear viewers, dear learners who are learning Bangla from our channel, for those I will say Bangla is very fantastic language and you will like it, you will enjoy Bangla language. Okay? Are you a teacher? That means, are you a teacher? তুমি কি একজন শিক্ষক? If you are a teacher, you will say, yes, I'm a teacher. That means G. Yes, I am means G. I'm a teacher, আমি একজন শিক্ষক. That means G, আমি একজন শিক্ষক. If your answer is negative, then you will say, no, I'm not. I'm not a teacher. জি না, আমি শিক্ষক নই। জি না, আমি শিক্ষক নই। Okay, thank you very much. I think you will like it, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye.